Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk more about predicates in a bare bones sentence. So we have now talked about subjects. So I want you to look at this picture on the screen with me. What could the possible subject be? What comes to mind? What could be an option? And I'm going to go ahead and draw this symbol because this is our subject symbol. Okay, it could be a train, the train. It could be a specific name of a train. Like if you look closely, it says Amtrak, so that would be the proper noun. I'm just going to go with train. So now that we have our subject, I want you to think about the predicate. Remember, the predicate tells the action of the subject. So on this one, we're going to do a series. Remember, a series is when there's more than two. So we're going to need to have a connector and some pause marks, some commas. So help me out. Can we think of three different predicate words that could describe the train? What's one action that the train could have? Chugs, okay. Like chugga chugga choo choo. All right, so there's one of my actions. What could another predicate be for how a train moves? Hmm. Races, maybe it's going really fast. Okay, and what's another predicate? Moves? Yeah, it's moving, sure. Okay, so I've got my three predicates. Now I'm ready to put it together and make a bare bones sentence. So take a look. What do I need to add to make this sentence, this series sentence? Well, I can't just start with train. I need to frame it out. So I need to have the word the with a capital T. And if I'm framing it, I need to put a period at the end. So let's look closely. So far I have the train chugs, and I have this space here. This is where I need to put the pause mark, the comma. Races, let me put another comma, and then I need my connector, and that'll be the word and. Moves. So my three predicates in my series for my complete sentence. The train chugs, races, and moves. Great job. Now it's your turn to look through all the photos and brainstorm what the subject could be and three predicates to go with each one and put it all together to make a bare bone sentence. You got this.